Navigating an account review on YouTube can be a crucial process for content creators. This guide will help you understand the steps to effectively handle an account review. Step 1. Understand the review process. Familiarize yourself with YouTube's policies and guidelines. Knowing what triggers an account review can help you prepare and address any potential issues. Step 2. Check your email notifications. Before starting recovery, use the s.com link in the description to open the account recovery checklist generator and make sure your verification details are ready. Step 3. Review your content. Go through your uploaded videos and assess them against YouTube's community guidelines. Remove or edit any content that may violate these policies to strengthen your case. Step 4. Prepare your appeal. If you believe your account was reviewed in error, gather evidence and prepare a clear, concise appeal. Include relevant details and any supporting documentation to help your case. Step 5. Submit your appeal. Follow the instructions provided in the email or on the YouTube Help Center to submit your appeal. Be patient as the review process may take some time, and monitor your email for updates. By following these steps, you can effectively manage an account review on YouTube. Stay informed and proactive to ensure a smoother experience.